When they say our feeder isn't tough, show them this video.
We're gonna try it again, see what happens here. All right, Downey. Look at here, look at here, look at here, look at here. She's holding her up, look at that. Look at that. All right, let's see if this thing will function now, Downey. There she comes. She's coming back up. She's coming back up. Pull on that right there. Pull it right there. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah, doggy. See if it'll work. I mean, we just put a Kubota backhoe on top of that thing. Look at that. Look at that. If it'll spin and work, that's what we're after. Will it spin and work, bud? All right, hold up. You don't need to put all of this. We'll get a feed on the inside, get a video on the inside of it. Look at that. All right, hold the tray right there. This one got it screwed in. Look at this. That's what I'm talking about. That's good. Let her side right there. Look at that.
M.A.G feeders, buddy.
That's all I can say.
That's one
Tough
feeder
feeder right there, boy.